Turn Copilot licenses into everyday capability. The Adoption Accelerator is a 12 to 16-week program built on behavior change, reinforcement, and reporting, designed to deliver measurable Copilot ROI fast. May 2026. You've made the investment. Now make it pay off. Microsoft 365 Copilot is a significant part of your IT budget, but without a deliberate adoption strategy, organizations face four challenges. Underutilized Copilot, leadership wanting proof of ROI, shadow AI creeping in, and avoidable IT support tickets. Change Champions Consulting helps manage change better. Why training alone doesn't stick. Evidence shows users forget about 70% of what they learn within 24 hours unless learning is reinforced. Without ongoing practice, users revert to old workflows. Confidence requires repetition. Reinforcement spreads usage. And the fastest ROI comes from a short, structured cycle of focused enablement. The Accelerator delivers real Copilot usage, self-serve confidence, clear adoption reporting, and a defensible answer to shadow AI. Structured training turns licenses into usage. Self-serve learning reduces IT ticket load. Visible ROI comes from sponsor-ready insights, and trust is built by aligning Copilot with your policies and security guardrails. The Accelerator is a structured program built for behavior change, reinforcement, and reporting, calibrated to your governance and security requirements. Over 12 to 16 weeks, it uses practical labs, clear communications, a dedicated Copilot SharePoint hub, weekly tips, monthly adoption metrics, and onboarded Copilot champions. Optional add-ons include curated self-serve assignments via the Brainstorm platform. Your 12-week adoption journey follows four phases: awareness, desire, knowledge and ability, and reinforcement. Each phase builds behaviors reinforced by the next, with no wasted motion. Outcomes include increased active users, more prompts per user, reduced IT tickets, improved sentiment, and clear ROI for leadership. The learning journey features four tracks: sponsorship for leaders, foundational training for everyone, productivity workflows for daily use, and team-based challenges for specific roles. Optimization continues after launch, with ongoing refinement, deepened use cases, and surfaced agents. The communications plan keeps momentum strong through launch, execution, and measurement. Launch sets the tone with executive communications and training invites. Execution builds momentum with weekly tips, self-serve assignments, challenges, and champions nudges. Measurement proves and sustains results with monthly reports, sponsor syncs, program wrap-up, and feedback loops. Success is measured across 8 metric categories, including Copilot readiness, activation, agent activation, breadth of adoption, impact, sentiment, reduced operating cost, and training effectiveness. Monthly reports provide prioritized recommendations to keep adoption climbing. A North American beverage manufacturer achieved 96% active usage in a single quarter. With a phased accelerator approach, including executive alignment, hands-on sessions, and reinforcement, the results were clear: licensed user growth, increased prompts submitted, high training attendance, and positive feedback from leadership. Change Champions is the Microsoft partner that turns Copilot into capability. Cross-eye grounded, Microsoft-focused, and outcome-led, they measure themselves on activation, usage, sentiment, and ROI, not just training hours. Let's get started with Change Champions Consulting to manage change better.